In this video, I will take you through the step-by-step process of adjusting inventory levels in your ERP system. From correcting stock errors to managing damaged or expired items, and reconciling discrepancies during routine checks, this guide will help you maintain accurate inventory records and improve operational efficiency.
So let's start. First we got to do inventory module by clicking in SCMS. Here there are two types of links. The one is quick links, and the second one you will go through the transactions. On the transactions links, click on the items adjustments. Upon navigating to the Adjust Transactions section, you'll find a series of detailed fields to complete. Begin by selecting the store location where the inventory adjustment needs to be made. Then there is adjustment type. There are two types of adjustments. One is positive adjustment if you want to add items, and second is negative adjustment if you want to remove items. Here I am choosing positive adjustments. Then there is transaction type, in which we have two transactions: inventory adjustments and opening stack. Inventory adjustments are manual adjustment if you want to make adjustment in the middle of the period, and opening stack if you want to create or open a new stock. Then if we want to enter a reference, write it here, and the very next we have file option for a reference file. Next, you'll need to enter the posting date to record when the adjustment is being made. After that, select the appropriate country from the drop-down menu. After that, enter your tax rate to ensure the adjustment reflects accurate financial data. Then, select the appropriate dimension from the drop-down menu. Next, select the item code manually, or simply scan the barcode for faster input. Once that's done, choose the product description to ensure the correct item is being adjusted. Then, enter the quantity that needs adjustment, whether it's adding, removing, or correcting stock levels. Finally, click the Save button located in the upper left corner of the screen, and your inventory adjustment process is complete. And just like that, you've successfully completed the inventory adjustment process.